Long time. No see. Hey guys!
Oh my gosh, yes, I get to be introduced as a guest now. Okay, go ahead.
Hey guys, it's Allie.
And Em.
And I'm back with another video.
Oh, we're still, okay.
Oh my gosh, y'all have not seen this face in a while.
It's
All around me are familiar faces.
been a minute.
A very long minute. But today, we are going to do something very fun for y'all. And if you don't know, Emma and I are really into TikTok at the moment.
Yeah, it's like an obsession.
All of my DIY video ideas come from TikTok. So today we are making scrunchies.
We all love them. They're a thing right now, but they
Yes.
also happen to be pretty expensive at times. So we're gonna show you how to make it literally out of old t-shirts and things that you might have.
All the materials you need are just around your house.
Yeah, they're things that most of us have access to, except maybe Hot Wheels, but
Yeah. This is a scrunchie that we just made to have like as a demo. And it looks literally like a regular scrunchie. So the materials are a bunch of just old shirts that we found around our house that we don't need anymore, and hot glue, a hot glue gun, hot glue,
scissors,
and a cup. Or it doesn't even have to be a cup. It could be anything that's like a cylinder shape, basically.
and you also need some rubber bands to give it kind of like a structure.
Yes.
Obviously, because how else are you gonna
On
get
the
it
inside,
organized?
a ruler to measure out your fabric, how much you need.
The first thing you're gonna do is take a shirt. I'm using this one. I'm using the back side because I don't want random colors on it. And I'm gonna start by cutting along this like side seam, just because I want like one big flat, like basically piece of fabric that I can that I can use to like measure the strips that we need. Just go all the way up, and then once I cut the other side, then I'll actually like measure. So you have it like this, with this little flap kind of like disconnected. Then you want to find out, we need them to be 12 inches long. I'm going to cut this off, so just start measuring right here. And then like right here. So I'm going to cut it right here so that we can make the strips out of it. Yeah, and then now we have this little piece. So the dimensions are 12 inches by 4.5. And this part can be adjusted, so if you want like a fluffier, like fatter scrunchie, then you can make it maybe like 5 inches or like 5.5, and then it's gonna give you a fluffier one. I'm gonna take the scissors right here. And then you should have something like this. And then we're gonna do the rest of it. So you just wanna have like a bunch of scraps that are kind of like that size.
Now that Emma cut out 12 by 4.5 inch piece of fabric, I'm going to hot glue it and then put it all together. Okay, so it's not really even right here, and you want it to be more even. So on the sides, I'm just gonna cut off the excess. A little more like even on both sides. You're gonna fold one part over, and you're gonna put hot glue there, hot glue on the seam, then fold this part over and close it up. You're gonna take a cup, turn the fabric inside out, and put it around the cup. So the outside of the scrunchie will be touching the cup. And then the inside is right here. And we're gonna take a hair tie and put it over the fabric. So we're gonna put the hair tie in the middle of the fabric, and it doesn't matter if it's like, it's not gonna be completely straight, you know what I mean? So it'll be like this. And then we're gonna take the top part and fold it over just a little bit, like so. So you're gonna take the hot glue and put it on the folded flap. And then you're gonna take this side, fold it over a little as well, put it on top. And then you're just gonna keep doing that all the way around. Okay.
Yay! It's
Now
pretty
you're just
quick. Like you can literally make one in like 5 minutes.
Take it off. And it's a scrunchie!
It's so cute.
love it. Oh my god, this one's actually really cute. Look at this.
They're super cute. And these, I feel like
Hi,
whenever you make them
how
out
are
of shirts,
ya? So good.
I thought whenever you make them out of shirts, they might actually end up softer than the ones that you might find in stores.
This is so cute. Okay, well that was it. That was a really boring video and short video, but we just wanted to show y'all how you make scrunchies very easily, and voila, we got them.
We're gonna make some more.
We low-key want to start a scrunchie business. Like, I feel like that would be kind of cool.
Yeah, I
We
think
could
that'd
make
be
a lot of
fun.
money.
We could make, yeah.
And it's kind of therapeutic making them. 'cause
And
you're
we have a
just
lot
doing
of clothes
yourself.
that we like don't really wear that can be put to good use, you know?
Yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe
and get notified. Ding!